Experience the new look and feel of the intelligent personal assistant in the updated BMW Operating System 9. Here are some of the commands you can use to make your journey even better.
Hey BMW, open all the windows.
In case the open windows aren't enough,
Hey BMW, max AC.
need directions? No problem.
Hey BMW, drive me to New York City.
Getting directions to New York. Drive south.
Hey BMW, add Newark International Airport to the route.
Here's what I found. You can say things like, take me to the first one. Which one do you want?
Take me to the first one.
Okay, adding Newark Liberty International Airport to your route.
Hey BMW, what's my ETA?
Based on current traffic, it'll take about 1 hour and 3 minutes to drive there.
Perfect. Now tell a friend.
Hey BMW, call John.
That's John Smith, right?
Yes.
Calling John Smith's mobile.
Is it cold enough now?
Hey BMW, raise the temperature to 70 degrees.
Temperature change to 70 degrees.
Explore everything.
Hey BMW, what can you do?
Here are some things you can try. How's my tire pressure? Find me a coffee shop and tell me something new. What would you like to do?
Find me parking near my destination.
Here's what I found. You can say things like, take me to the first one.
Please note, after a remote software upgrade to November 2024 or newer, please make sure to redo the intelligent personal assistant setup process via the in-car app or the microphone button on the steering wheel to get the full experience. Enjoy your journey with easy vehicle interaction. And continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.